Another bit of breaking news update coming in. Multiple casualties have been brought to the LNJP hospital following the blast near gate number 1 of Red Fort metro station. So several people, I repeat, several people have been injured. One person dead. Shambhavi is on the spot. I'll go close to Shambhavi if she's on the location. Shambhavi, they're calling it a blast now.
Well, yes, we are just 45 minutes away from the spot. We are rushing to there as soon as possible, but by the information that we know, it's still not clear that whether it was a mechanical fire or an accidental one or something more deliberate. But now the Delhi police is considering it officially as a blast. It is definitely adds new layers to this complete story. The fact that something like this happened to an area which is mostly 24/7 under CCTV surveillance, and even the Red Fort metro station gate number 1, it opens to a pretty busy road where most of the time cars remain parked. So something like this happening, it is definitely pointing towards something more deliberate, and the police confirming that they're considering it a blast definitely adds a new point to the story.
Live pictures and a breaking news update. The breaking news update that NIA and NSG teams are at the spot.
क्या हुआ सर, आप क्या बता पाएंगे? कुछ
नहीं, हम कुछ नहीं, हम ये देखे, लपट देखा, अपने छत से देखा, तभी मैं नीचे उतर के आया कि जरा देखूं कहाँ है, और तो पता नहीं
किसी तरह की कोई आवाज़ आपने सुनी?
बहुत जोर आवाज़ आई, बिल्डिंग खिड़की हिल गई।
आपका घर कितना दूर है?
ये रहा गुरुद्वारे के पास।
An eyewitness talking about the impact of the blast. Breaking news coming in. NIA and NSG teams are at the spot. NIA and NSG teams are at the spot. The Delhi Police forensic and technical teams are on the spot. All angles being looked at. The Delhi Police going on record to call it a blast. After the blast, several people, several casualties have been brought to the LNJP hospital. Several people have been admitted, receiving treatment in LNJP hospital. As we speak, this is outside gate number 1, Red Fort metro station, where the blast took place in a vehicle. It was a parked vehicle. We don't know whether it was one blast, two blasts, multiple blasts, but ambulance and fire tenders, that's a live shot from the Red Fort metro gate 1. We're going across to the live shot. It was a CNG.
Just got information right now. This is a preliminary assessment done by the Delhi police top sources indicating that this was an explosion that has taken place in a CNG cylinder is what we are being told. Now whether it is inside the car that first led to the explosion, that is not known, but it will take another 35 to 40 minutes to make a full assessment for the Delhi police, but we can confirm that it is a CNG cylinder where an explosion has taken place, Niranjan.
CNG